When you want to keep the key to your family home safe, trust our family of storage security products from Master Lock. Instead of hiding a key where you hope no one will find it, securely store keys where they're easy to find and easy to gain access to, if you have the combination. Kids after school, family members, tradesmen, cleaning people, realtors, helpful neighbors. Anyone you choose can gain easy access just by entering the combination code. The key storage compartment is generously sized to hold multiple keys and constructed of sturdy metal for years of use. You can change the combination as many times as you like. Just lift the reset lever, dial in a new combination, and push the reset lever down. Now, a new combination is set, so security stays tight whenever you need it. Choose from a portable over-the-doorknob design for easy installation and removal, or a wall-mount key storage lock for a more permanent solution. Both provide a great way to store keys for everyday access and offer an ideal solution for a second home or a vacation cottage. When you're on the go but need security, try our mini safe. It's small enough to carry with you and sturdy enough to securely store your personal items. At school, around the neighborhood, at the ball game, even on a hunting trip, the mini safe is a compact security solution. Permanent or portable, substantial or small, there's a member of this family that's perfect for protecting your family. Select Access Storage Safes, another innovative tough under fire security solution from Master Lock.